Hello, good afternoon, Mr. Almendares. My name is Michael. My number from the list is 30. What does he do? He is a doctor. Where does he work? He works in a hospital. What does she do? She is a dentist. Where does she work? She works in a clinic. What does she do? She is a chef. Where does she work? She works in a restaurant. What does he do? He is a farmer. What does he work? He works in a farm. What does she do? She is a baker. What does she work? She works in the bakery. What does he do? He is an astronomer. What does he works? He works in the NASA. What does he do? He is an engineer. What does uh, he work? He works in the company. What does she do? She is a teacher. Where does she work? She works in the school. What does he do? He is a plumber. Where does he work? He works in the house. What does he do? He is a carpenter. Where does he work? He works in the carpenter.